Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with You Life with me, Chef Drake, and it is my birthday week. I'm always happy to celebrate my birthday. Another year. I don't know about you, but getting older is a blessing in my opinion because some people don't make it. So happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to all the Tauruses out there, Taurus Nation. I got it tattooed on me. You know, we all about the Tauruses. But also, I still wanted to come with an episode. I did not forget about you, even though it's my birthday. And, you know, if you guys want to really give me a birthday present, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn those notifications. Get those numbers up. You know, buy the cookbook. You can buy the cookbook as a birthday present to me. I appreciate everything. No, I appreciate you being here anyway. But I did want to talk about one thing today. Yeah, I'm away. And that is seasonings. So we all have so many different seasonings in your cabinet. I hope you do. Now, if you do have seasonings in your cabinet, and that means you like flavor, that means you want to season your food, there's one thing you need to also remember. All these have expiration dates. And I'm not talking about the ones that are written on them. Sometimes you need to check them before that. So a lot of times too, if you don't buy seasonings in this manner and you buy them like from the farmer's market, where they're in a small little cup, or you buy them fresh from different places, it won't come with an expiration date on printed on. So the quickest and easiest way to across the board, no matter how you get your seasonings, where you get them from, how to check them, is I always tell people check them 4 times a year, every 3 months. Usually when the seasons change, but that depends on where you live. I used to live in Key West, so the seasons never change. But if you live somewhere where the seasons change, every time the seasons change, but every 3 months, 4 times a year. You're doing this for 2 reasons. One, simply making sure that you still have flavor in your seasonings. So unfortunately, like I said, everything has an expiration date. After a while, and cayenne pepper and paprika, do I have paprika here? Paprika, cayenne pepper, those two are really two that I like to talk about because they're easy to identify. Cayenne pepper has a really bright, bold color, right? This is because you're seeing the oils that's inside of the peppers that's been grounded down. And when we taste it, we taste the natural oils from the dry peppers. If this is in your cabinet for, let's just say 2 years, and I'm being very nice because I've taught the guests on ships and I've taught the people that I have cooked for, and they've had stuff in their cabinets for years. So let's just say 2 years, and you go back and you open that cayenne pepper all the way in the back, dust it off, and then you say, oh man, this cayenne pepper looks a little brown and it's caked up. Yeah, that means there's no more oil inside of the cayenne pepper, so you get no more flavor. It doesn't matter how much of that cayenne pepper you put on there, you're getting no flavor out. So you want to check it to make sure that it's still fresh and that you actually can still use it. The other thing is too, they're just taking up space. If you have any seasonings in your cabinet that do not have any more flavor left in them, get them out. It's just taking up space. And that also means you're not using it. So the biggest one, I don't even have it here, that I talk about because I pick on it so much, is bay leaves. And I pick on bay leaves because that's the equalizer, I feel. A lot of us buy bay leaves in the big bags. They don't come really small most of the time. And then you put them in that cabinet over your refrigerator or in the back of your pantry or whatever. Use a couple bay leaves and then you forget about them. And then 2 years later, you go back and you're like, oh, I have bay leaves. I got this recipe I need to use bay leaves for. I got bay leaves. You put it in something. It doesn't taste like anything. And then what's your thought? Bay leaves don't have any flavor. No, they do have flavor. Yours do not. So same concept. If you can break that bay leaf in half and it just dissolves, that means it has no more oil on the inside, which means it cannot give you any flavor when you put it in an item. So all your seasonings, no matter what you use, I don't care, even if it's something like adobo or sazon, where it's going to be something that looks like very light, still check it. Most of the time you can check it from smell. A lot of these are very fragrant. You can't smell it anymore. You can't taste it anymore. You can check from the look. If it starts to really get a little bit duller, that means the oils are gone. Put a little bit in something. You'll notice it like, oh man, when I first bought this cumin, I could put like a half a teaspoon in there and it would just be very bold. Now I just put a tablespoon in and I barely can taste it. That means it's on its last leg. Time to get some more cumin. So this is what I'm talking about. My birthday is helping you make sure that your seasonings are good. I've already talked about this one time, and I just wanted to bring it back for my birthday episode because I feel like it's a very good tip that a lot of people miss. So since it's my birthday, I wanted to say, run it back, Turbo. All right, guys. Hope you have a great day. It's my birthday week, so go ahead and drop me a like and subscribe and whatever you want to do. But no, for real though, I appreciate all you guys. The biggest birthday present I have is that I am getting new podcast subscribers every day. I'm getting new YouTube subscribers every day. You guys are really tuning in, so I appreciate you and I appreciate everything you guys do. That's the best birthday present I could have. So thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.